A quick tip on iOS. It works on the newer versions, but this is quite an old iPhone. Um, if you scroll down and find, where is it? Keyboard. It's under general, I think. Keyboard. If you go into keyboard here and do to text replacement. So what you can do, and this is really useful, if you put in your email address in here. Oh, this isn't my email address, by the way. This is just a testing email address, just specifically set up for this phone. So I'm going to delete this account shortly. QQ. Okay. So now, when you type QQ, like in a text message, I don't know if we can do this. This phone's not set up. Yeah, whatever. Then you can do the message, you type QQ, press space, and it changes it to your email address. Really useful, saves a ton of typing. And I've got lots of these set up. So just to remind you, just go into settings, and then it's under general keyboards. It's a really, really useful tip. Another thing is not everyone realises you can scroll down from the top and search for your apps. It's quite useful. So another really good thing to do is go into settings, control center, and okay, well, on the version of iOS, if you go in here, there's a thing that says customize controls, and then you click on that and you can add notes to the menu. Really useful. Fortunately, it doesn't seem to work on iOS 10 or whatever this is. Oh well. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope that's of some use, and have a good afternoon, morning, whatever you're doing. Hopefully you're keeping busy. Cheers, bye.